Hello, and welcome to a very special episode of our series, an interactive session with ChatGPT. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to experience the capabilities of ChatGPT live in action. This session is designed to showcase the real-time functionalities of ChatGPT, demonstrating how it interacts, responds, and provides solutions. Whether you're familiar with ChatGPT or seeing it for the first time, this live demo will give you a first-hand look at the practical aspects of this remarkable AI. So, let's dive right in and start chatting with ChatGPT. Now, let's begin our live demonstration. As you can see on the screen, we are interacting with ChatGPT. I'll start by typing in a prompt or a question, and we'll observe how ChatGPT processes and responds to it. Notice how ChatGPT analyzes the input and generates a response that's relevant and coherent. Let's try a few different scenarios to showcase its range, from answering questions to creative writing and problem solving. Through these interactions, you can see how ChatGPT is able to handle a variety of topics, adapting its responses based on the input it receives. This versatility is what makes ChatGPT such a powerful tool in numerous applications. As we wrap up this interactive session, I hope you found this live demonstration insightful. ChatGPT's ability to interact in real time, providing responses across a range of topics, showcases its potential as a versatile and powerful AI tool. Thank you for joining me in this unique experience. This session highlights just a glimpse of what's possible with ChatGPT, and there's much more to explore and discover. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't hesitate to experiment with ChatGPT on your own. Thank you for being a part of this series, and I look forward to bringing you more insights into the world of AI in the future. Until then, keep engaging with technology and shaping your understanding of AI. Thank you for joining us for this interactive session with ChatGPT. It's been a pleasure demonstrating the live capabilities of this advanced AI model. Your curiosity and engagement are what make these sessions exciting and valuable. Keep experimenting with AI tools like ChatGPT, and stay tuned for more content on the advancements and applications of AI. Until next time, take care and continue exploring the fascinating world of AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.